Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essential checks now. Do not delay. First, confirm carrier coverage and make sure airplane mode is off so the phone can see towers. Once done, perform a forced reboot by holding power plus volume down for 10 seconds. This clears transient radio faults. Then power off, eject the SIM tray, inspect the card and tray for damage, and reseat or swap with a confirmed working SIM to isolate hardware versus network issues. Next, focus on configuration and software. You should reset network settings to remove corrupted profiles. This restores Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile defaults. After that, verify the carrier APN values exactly as provided. Mismatched APN stops data. Make sure mobile data toggles respond, then check for system updates. Manufacturers release modem firmware fixes. Install via settings or smart switch. If updates fail, note that to finish, use diagnostic steps for stubborn limited service. Boot into safe mode to see if an app is blocking radios. If service returns, uninstall the last installed apps one by one. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software corruption. Make sure to test with a different carrier SIM. This single step tells you whether the modem hardware is fine or the problem is the account or tower. If still failing, contact Samsung or the carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.